Hello from Slovenia again. Today I have some paints for a pour, scissors, tape and this wooden gift bag. It's from plywood or something, and I will do a dip, reverse dip flower in here. But first I have to remove the handles. I will put them back in while I will finish this. You can even, when you do your pour, you can decide maybe to use some other colors of the string. I will just remove my paints. I will talk about paints, colors, brands a little later. And of course I already managed to get paint on. First I will use a tape and I will pour here. Have to put some tape there. The paint will not flow in, and now I will just basically tape all other sides except the first one and a little over. Okay. I will have to fix this part here. Okay, so this part is done, and now I will do a reverse dip on this. And for my base coat today, it's for the first time I'm using Art Creation King's Blue, and it's I mixed it with a little white, and I got this nice periwinkle color, and I will use my pearl white, extreme sheen, decorated silver, iridescent blue violet, no, iridescent violet blue by Pebeo, Amsterdam permanent blue violet, Amsterdam ultramarine violet light, and brush Posse paint by Christina Welsh in Galaxy Blue Shimmer. You can follow Christina Welsh on Facebook, YouTube. She has an Etsy shop. You can buy those colors if you like them. So first I will pour some of this base down, because I want a nice layer. I will use the napkin. I need to care about the sides just a little bit where I have this edge. It's windy here in Slovenia, and it will cool down quite a bit, so fall is here. And I will just grab this 6x6, no, 4x4 inch MDF board that you can use for coasters, and I will place my napkin on this to see if I will get some effects. Okay, so I will put this aside for now, and I will kind of just drizzle some paint in the middle. I will start with pearl white. Sure if I like it, so I will just add a little this base paint around. Just drizzle some paint on top, and I will just do a dip, not a reverse. So my flower, it's all dry. It's kind of beautiful, and now let's go to the next step, shall we? will should have not wear the gloves for this part. Let's take off the tape. I hope that I will not be off camera all the time. Whoop. Let's see which one next. Okay, here you are. And the last one. Have to correct this part a little bit. Just a second. Okay. I will have to sand it a little bit here because some paint was popping through. So at this part you can leave the other sides like they are. You can paint them, or you can do another dip on the other side, but I decided that I will go just with paint on the other side too. So Now that it's all dry, you can put a coat of resin, but I will just varnish it with my gloss varnish. Don't need much, just to cover it. And I'm done. So I will let this dry and then I will show you the last part. So now it's varnished and dried. It's kind of cool. And the last thing is to put your strings in. So I just made those from the things that you use for knitting wool. No. We'll just do some knots like that, and you can decide how big you want your handles to be. Okay, do a knot and one more. Should be okay. And the other one. I'm not used to film that kind of videos, so probably you don't see a lot of things while I'm doing it, so sorry. Okay, and the other one, one and two, and here you have it. See, I did add a little longer ones, I don't know why, you can decide, but, and I did get some paint here, but it's okay. Just want to show you that because I think it's kind of cool. Your gift bag is a gift by itself. It's a piece of art that you did. I just didn't do the best job with the flower, but still it's kind of beautiful. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.